Hey kids, let's identify the birds together. Are you ready? Let's go. This is a robin. This is a parrot. This is an owl. This is a blue jay. This is a penguin. This is a hummingbird. This is a flamingo. This is a duck. This is an eagle. This is a woodpecker. This is a toucan. This is a peacock. This is a seagull. This is a swan. And this is a turkey. Great job, kids. Now let's say them again together. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe for more fun learning videos. Bye-bye.
Hi everyone! Don't forget to subscribe. Just click the button below. Thanks for watching!